Hey you guys, how is it going? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make this lip and cheek tint from beetroot. So if you are interested in knowing that, just keep on watching. So to start off with, I have this beetroot with me. Now the color of your beetroot plays a really important role in the final color of your lip and cheek tint. So the darker your beetroot color is, the more red your final product will be, and the more pink your beetroot is, the more pinkish your tint will turn out. So mine looks pretty dark, so I think this will be more on the red side. Now I have chopped my beetroot into small pieces so that it is easier to grind. Now I'm going to grind this up into a paste using a mixer. So I'll be adding the beetroot into the mixer, and I'll be also adding about 1/4 cup of water. You can also use rose water if you want. And the beetroot will easily turn into a paste in a few seconds, and this is how the paste will look like. So once that is done, I'm going to take a saucepan. It should have a little heavy bottom so that the beetroot juice does not stick. Now I'm simply going to strain the paste using a cloth. So once that is done, we are going to reduce this water on medium flame for 8 to 10 minutes. So after a few minutes, the water will start bubbling up and you will be left with a really thickened concentrated beetroot after 10 minutes. So this is how it will look. And now for no specific reason, I'm just going to check the shade because I was too curious, and it looks pretty dark right now, but we are not done yet. So we are going to add aloe vera gel in this. I would suggest you guys to get a store-bought aloe vera gel and not use the fresh one because this one has a little bit different consistency than the fresh one. So I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and in that I'm also going to add about 1 tablespoon of my moisturizer, my favorite moisturizer, which is the Simple Moisturizer. Now you can add any moisturizer that you have. So adding a moisturizer will add a lot of glow to your face once you apply the tint. So the quantity of the ingredients completely depends on how much tint you want to make. So if you are just trying it for the first time, you might want to half the quantity, and I'll be listing the proper measurements in the description so you guys can check that out. And now I'm just mixing it all up using a spoon, and with that said, our beetroot lip and cheek tint is ready. Now I'm just going to transfer this finally into my container. So you can use any dropper bottle or any old liquid lipstick bottle to store this. Before that, I'm going to swatch it up a little bit, and this is how the color looks like. It's pretty red in color, as I could make out from how dark the beetroot was, and it still looks really pretty. Now I'm going to transfer it in this bottle. This is my old foundation bottle. I have cleaned it up properly and I think it's good to use now. So I'm going to transfer all the beetroot tint into this. You want to shake the bottle before using it. Now I'm just going to take a few drops on my cheeks and let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to tap it using my fingers. So honestly, the pigmentation is not that high. It's somewhere in the middle. It's not too high, it's not too low. It looks like natural finish. So which is something that I like about this tint. So you can also apply a little bit on your nose. It looks really cute. So yeah, that was it for the beetroot lip and cheek tint. Now my final verdict would be, if you have the store-bought lip and cheek tint, I don't think you necessarily need this one. But if you just want to try it out, if you want to see how it looks on you, you can definitely give this a shot. Personally, I feel the ready-made store-bought lip tint works better than this one, definitely, because I have tried a lot of them and I think there are better options in the market. But looking at how affordable this one is, you can definitely give it a shot and experiment for yourself. So yeah, that was it for my verdict for the beetroot lip and cheek tint. If you guys liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.